guys! Welcome back to the most awaited haul, that is the IKEA haul, and this time it is more special because it is a really affordable haul. Everything which we are going to show in this haul is under 300 rupees.
So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so just to give you an overview, firstly there is no piece of furniture because हम लोग अगर आपने vlog देखा है तो you know that we bought a lot of small things. कोई बड़ा furniture piece expect मत करना obviously. So yeah. Okay, so the first product that I have is a set of plates. So these are set of 6 plastic plates. So this is how it looks. It has like a circular sort of a design ऐसे. It's quite sturdy. ऐसे मतलब वो flimsy plastic होता है ना, वैसा नहीं है. And all the colors are pastel colors, as you can see. Firstly ये pastel colors थे इसीलिए मैंने लिए. And secondly, guys, can you guess the price? These were just for 99 rupees for all the 6. मतलब मुझे जरूरत तो नहीं थी obviously, but I just picked it. बस थोड़ा फैंसी है तो मैंने पिक कर लिया. सो इफ यू हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थीम पार्टी और लाइक थीम इन योर किचन गोइंग ऑन, आई थिंक यू ऑल शुड डेफिनेटली पिक दीज अप बिकॉज दे आर रियली गुड एंड द साइज इज ऑल्सो गुड. मतलब यू कैन एक्चुअली हैव समथिंग इन दिस लाइक स्नैक्स और समथिंग.
The first thing which I bought, I am sure you saw it in our vlog also, but I switched it up to something else. So it is a chopping board. So earlier I got a small chopping board, then ahead when we were shopping more, I saw a combination of a big and a small chopping board. So I picked this one up. This one was just for 199 rupees. So like 200 रुपए में you are getting 2 chopping boards. This is how it looks like. The colors are also nice, like green and blue. It looks good.
Usually chopping boards के colors बहुत boring होते हैं. Like वो लकड़े के chopping boards और white. बस.
Yeah, exactly. So this looks really good and it is quite sturdy also. We have not used any of these things. हम लोग कल ही जाके आए हुए हैं. So yeah, but 199 में 2 huge chopping boards with good quality is really nice.
Okay, so the next thing that I bought is the small chopping board that you saw in the vlog. So random fact, I've never really used a chopping board in my life.
Is it?
Yeah, that's
I use chopping board every time.
I तो like just normally जैसे कट करते वैसे करती हूँ. ऐसा नहीं, I'm very comfortable doing that. But you know, I've seen everyone use chopping boards and I know of course it's a chopping board, so it will become very handy. So I bought the smaller one just to try it out first so that this doesn't take up a lot of space in the kitchen, and the smaller one was just for 59 rupees. The MRP is 95, but again सबका MRP अलग है and सब कुछ सेल पर है. I think अब वो opening sale है या no, I have no idea, but 59 for a chopping board is like
true.
Like what? Like what? Just pick it up.
The next thing which I got is so random. It is a doormat. If you guys can see this, this is such a stylish looking doormat, isn't it? Like a plain blue color. Actually, with the flat lace के लिए भी कितना अच्छा
Very
जाएगा.
nice. Yes.
This retails just for 79 rupees. Can you believe that? And it is really good. I tried it. Like pear slip या ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं हो रहा है और everything. Yes, it is a little thin. But then I guess ऐसे ही होते हैं.
Yeah, ऐसे ही होते हैं. Yeah, I mean thick वाले भी मिलते हैं. But I think these are much easier to store also. It doesn't take up a lot of space.
True. So 79 rupees for this doormat is really worth it.
And there are a lot of different colors in this as well. But I think ये basic color अच्छा है. Then the next thing that I bought is this set of loofahs. So it is a set of 3 and I paid 149 for this. I have not opened this, but the MRP says 330 rupees, which is expensive, I would say, for 3 loofahs. But 150 mein mila, so I was like, let's grab it. I use this on a daily basis and I like changing my loofahs every 3 to 4 months. And I think it is hygienic to do that as well. So I love the colors as well. Like it is blue, pink and white. So yeah, I just picked this randomly, no reason. Actually all of the things are pretty random but so affordable that we couldn't resist. So yeah, this obviously good quality hoga. So yeah, I bought that.
The next thing I got are some napkins. These are so good colors. Like these have such good colors. It has yellow, blue, green and pink. मेरे घर पे वो dark color के napkins है, वो typical house napkins. So I really like these nice colors one. I am working out these days, so I usually keep one napkin in my bag. So I feel this is going to be really nice. Also these are quite thin comparative to our regular thick napkins. So I prefer thin napkins napkins, like you know, इतने भी रुमाल जितने पतले नहीं है, but not as thick as the normal napkins. And this one again retailed just for 99 rupees. 99 rupees में 4 napkins. I feel this is a good steal, and you have great color options in this.
So even I picked the same set. इसमें आपको color options नहीं थे, but there are 4 colors in it only. And the best part about these is that it has a hook thingy, so you can like इसको आप अगर आपका napkin का stand है उस पे आप इसको टंगा भी सकते हो. And you can also use this as a washcloth in your kitchen. So actually these are washcloths, but you can obviously use them as napkins as well.
The next thing is one of my favorite things ever, and these are the small plants, also called as succulents. I feel this is the best thing which I have got. It looks so pretty. First of all, these are 3 succulents. This retailed just for 299 rupees. I cannot believe I got 3 succulents in 299 rupees. ये आप और किधर वेस्ट साइड और वो सब जगह जाओगे, you will get 350 का one or something like that. So again, this looks of such good quality. So this is my favorite.
Okay, so the next and probably the most favorite item for me in this entire haul is this set of 6 glasses just for 99 rupees. 99, yes, you heard me right. So they had different patterns as well in this one, like big and small. Big ones I guess were for 199 if I'm not wrong, but this is how it looks. So it's a very decent size, and it has like some pattern thingy as well. It's not something out of the box, but it's not something cheap also. So I really like the pattern. It's good to drink your chai or juice, whatever you want to. And 100 rupees, I mean, just keep that in mind and then buy stuff. And also even if it's 100 rupees, you know, like रास्ते पे भी मैंने बहुत ऐसे patterns देखे, but the packaging, the quality that you're getting and the price that you're paying for, keep that in mind and then buy. Then you will definitely find everything super worth it.
The next thing which I have is the same. Actually I was a bit skeptical about buying this, but Urvi convinced me कि यार ले 99 rupees के, I'm sure your mom will like it. And my mom actually liked it. She told कि वैसे भी हमारे जो normal कांच के ग्लास थे वो 1-2 टूट गए थे, so she wanted a new set, and I guess this was the perfect timing that I got this. My mom is very happy about this set more than me.
You know what, our moms are actually happy with the entire thing because बहुत घरेलू सामान लाया हमने. So yeah, basically mom's happy, so we are also happy.
Exactly. And I guess we are adulting a
Yeah, we're adulting यार, घर के लिए सामान खरीद रहे, like plates and all. So talking about adulting, I bought this set of spice jars. So this is a set of 4 spice jars. ये कांच के है, and I just paid 99 rupees for this. ये मैं निकाल नहीं रही हूँ, but you can see from here the size, and ऊपर एक steel का lid है. So you can store your masalas, or you can store your herbs, whatever you want, and they just look so cute. They don't take up a lot of space as well because ये बहुत ही compact है, and again a good gifting option. इसमें भी they had different sizes and patterns. I really like these gold ones, so I bought that. And this my mom really loved actually, and this actually one of my friends also saw, and she ordered it online because she liked it so much. So yeah.
The next thing is something which I'm really obsessed with. I have gotten a recent obsession with scented candles, and I saw one over there and I could not stop myself. So this is how the candle looks like. This is a strawberry flavor one. मैंने बस इसको bag से निकाला, and the room is smelling so good. Like it is not even lit, but it is smelling so good. This one retails for just 130 rupees, and it says that you can burn this up to 25 hours, which is a really long time. मतलब दिन में आप 1 घंटा भी चलाओ, ये काफी दिन तक रहता है. So I am really happy with this. It smells so good. Did you smell this?
Yeah, I thought smelled it there only. And the one thing that I would like to mention here is that they have only 4 fragrances in candles as of now, and this is our personal favorite. Okay, so the next thing that I have is this mug. Firstly, I just bought this because of the color. I love this turquoise color. It just looks so cute. And even the shape for that matter, it's not a traditional cup. It has this sort of a thingy at the bottom, and the handle is really small. This is really good quality, and this is just for 99 rupees. They have 2 to 3 colors in this as well. So yeah, mugs hai, matlab yaar, just Just pick it. Just pick it.
Continuing my obsession with scented candles, I have more scented candles. These are the tea light candles. These are 30 tea light candles. This is in the fragrance vanilla. Again, a really nice fragrance. The strawberry one is quite strong and the vanilla one is quite mild. So, you know, depending upon the mood which you are in for, I got the options. MRP for this is 129, which I feel is very affordable. I guess this is a good price for scented candles.
Actually, the next thing that I got is just the randomest of all. It's a pair of scissors. I know, like IKEA se scissor क्यों?
Yeah.
I'll tell you a fun story behind this. So last month actually, मेरे घर का scissor खराब हो गया था. I mean, it had rusted. So I went to the stationery store and it's been a while, okay, since I went to a stationery store. School में जाती थी, फिर मैंने बंद कर दिया था. And the guy told me the scissor, I bought a longer wala scissor for 175 rupees.
Oh my
and I was like, okay. मुझे इतने साल हो गए, इतना भाव बढ़ गया क्या? But I had to take it because I wanted it. And then I went to IKEA and I saw this scissor. It's a smaller size, but it's a cuter color. And this is just for 39 rupees. 39. I don't need any other scissor, but I just got it because I liked it and it was affordable. So yeah, and yes, it is sharp. Yes, it is sturdy. So yeah, अभी scissor के बारे में और क्या बोलूँ? Just get it. It's just for 39 rupees.
So again, I and Urvi got the same plates. These are these 6 colored plastic plates just for 99 rupees. It looks so cute. Again, when I was buying this, I was like, should I buy or should I not? But again, Urvi convinced me that do 99 rupees ke le. Even if you don't eat, I'm sure you will make some other use out of it. It is a good home decor thing also. So yeah, I am very happy with this one also.
Okay, then moving on, I bought this soap dispenser. Now, obviously, COVID mein this thing has become so important, and I bought this for 199 rupees. They had a lot of different colors and shapes in this as well, but I wanted the matte black one for my parents' bathroom because uska interior black hai. And to be very honest, मैंने matte black ना बहुत जगह ढूंढा, but मुझे हर जगह glossy black मिल रहा था. I had bought one glossy black also. ऐसे रास्ते पे से for I would say 50 or 60 rupees, but the glossy black thing started peeling off. जैसे जैसे वो गीला हो रहा था ना, it started peeling off. But I hope that this doesn't do that. I think so it won't do that. But this one is just for 199. And first I thought it was a bit expensive, but then again I was like, it's matte black and probably it's of great quality. So yeah, and it's a huge size as well.
The last thing which I have are spoons. So as you saw the plate, I got the same matching set of spoons with this. This retail just for 20 rupees. Can you believe
I mean, अगर plate नहीं भी लेते ना, तो spoon ले लो. It's just so cute.
Yes, the colors are so nice. So if I'm eating from this plate, I would like to use these spoons just to be a little fancy. और क्या ही बोलूं अब 6 spoon के बारे में.
If you have small kids na at your place, they're going to really enjoy having food in this because of such cute colors. So keep that in mind. Okay, so the last item that I have are these two frames. So I paid 158 rupees दोनों का मिला के, and the MRP is 137 for each. And again, these are black regular frames. So as I said, my mom's room is black and white, and I wanted to like add some decorative pieces in her room, in their room. So that's the reason I bought this. इसमें photos डालना बाकी है, but it's just a basic size. It looks good. It feels good. So yeah, get it. Just get everything that we've mentioned because everything is really good.
Yeah. So I guess that's it for this haul. Tell me what was your favorite thing from this haul. Mine was definitely these plants. I'm very happy with this. Tell me about yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.